Hi everyone. We are going in this video. We are going to draw a pair of tangents to the circle of radius 5 centimeters, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degrees. For that purpose, first we have to draw a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So compass and scale are required. So in this one, I am placing the pointer at 0 and I am taking the radius of 5 centimeters. I am locking it up. Then I am constructing a circle of radius 5 centimeters first. Circle of radius 5 centimeters. Now name these points as O and A. Name this point as O. Now I am joining a point on the circle, a point A on the circle, and I am extending this OA to B in such a way that OA equal to AB. I am going to join here. I am extending the circle with OA equal to 5 centimeters. We know I am extending OA to B in such a way that OA equal to AB equal to 5 centimeters. So here I am placing the scale there. Now here you see OA is already 5 centimeters here. Now I am extending this line to B point in such a way that OA equal to AB equal to 5 centimeters. Name these points. This point is A. This point is A and this point is B. Now OA equal to AB equal to 5 centimeters itself. Now A is the midpoint of OB, can I consider? Because we only constructed OA equal to 5 centimeters, AB is also equal to 5 centimeters. So A is the midpoint of OB I can consider. So taking A as center, OA as the radius, I am going to construct a circle. Another circle which intersects the previous one at two different points. So here taking A as center and as AB as radius or OA as radius, I am going to construct a circle. I am going to construct the circle. This circle touches the previous circle at two different points. Name those two different points as P and Q. Name those two points as P and Q. These points here, name this point as P and name this point as Q. Now join those 2 points BP and BQ. BP and BQ are the required tangents. Here BP and BQ are required tangents. Now how do we verify it? Means how do we know whether the given construction or what we were drawn is correct or not? Required tangents. If you are able to prove this one, angle PBQ equal to 60 degrees, then our construction is correct. To prove that one, what am I going to do is, I am joining AP and also OP. Once you observe, I am going to join AP and OP. So I joined here OP and also AP. Now once you observe, OP is the radius I can consider. OP is the radius of this one. OP is nothing but 5 centimeters. OA also you consider. This is also the radius itself. OA is also 5 centimeters. Then AP you consider. AP is the radius of the blue color one. AP is the radius of the blue color circle. that is also the radius itself. So all of them are same, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. So here what do I write now? Here OP equal to OA equal to 5 centimeters, this is the radius. OP equal to OA equal to 5 centimeters, this is the radius. Now, and here AP equal to 5 centimeters, AP equal to 5 centimeters, this is the radius. This is the radius of circle with center O. This is the radius of circle with center O. Radius of circle with center O. So with center O, not with center A. Right? Now triangle OAP triangle OAP is equilateral triangle. Therefore, angle PAO equal to 60 degrees. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Therefore, angle BAP equal to 120 degrees. Angle BAP equal to 120 degrees. In triangle BAP, BA equal to AP. BA equal to AP. And angle BAP equal to 120 degrees. Therefore, angle ABP equal to angle APB equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, here this is 30 degrees means, similarly if I am proving in this direction, if I am drawing a triangle and the same procedure if I am able to prove, here also we will get 30 degrees. Therefore, angle PBQ equal to 30 plus 30, 60 degrees. This is the way. So, inclined at an angle of 60 degrees automatically we proved. Therefore, angle PBQ equal to 60 degrees. BP and BQ are the tangents there. Right? In the next video, we are going to solve exercise 11.4, question number 5. Okay, thank you very much.